Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write Toyota Supra step by step. Start by defining your goal and the audience, then gather key facts like model generations, engine options, and design cues. Create a clear outline with sections for history, performance, styling, and ownership tips. Keep language accessible, use short paragraphs, and plan images or specs to support each point for a structured and engaging final piece. Research thoroughly by compiling official specs, credible reviews, and owner experiences to build authority in your piece. Note engine types, horsepower, and notable features, and compare trim levels honestly. Save links and quotes for easy referencing and fact-checking during writing. Organize your notes under headings that match your outline so drafting becomes a matter of expanding bullet points into readable, informative paragraphs that help readers decide or learn about the Supra. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Also, the Oala water bottle is a handy pick to keep you hydrated during long research or writing sessions, with a spill-proof lid and easy carry handle. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat yourself to better focus while you work. Now let's get back to the video. Begin drafting by turning each outline heading into a focus section with a clear topic sentence. Use active voice, short sentences, and relevant numbers like horsepower or 0-60 times to convey facts efficiently. Insert quotes or anecdotes for personality, and include comparisons to similar cars when helpful. End with a concise conclusion and actionable advice, such as maintenance tips or buying considerations to leave readers with practical next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.